Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new feature on Instagram that allows you to see when you sent stickers in your chats, right from your PC. This is a handy update for those who love to keep track of their conversations. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated your app recently, it's a good idea to do so to ensure you have all the latest features. Next, look for the messages icon on the left menu. It resembles an envelope and is usually located at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on it to access your direct messages. Once you're in the messages section, open the chat that contains the sticker you want to check. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat where you've shared stickers. Now locate the sticker within the chat. When you find it, hover over it and look for the 3 dots next to the sticker. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see an option that displays the time when you sent that sticker. This feature is incredibly useful for recalling past conversations or simply keeping track of your sticker usage. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily see when you sent stickers in your Instagram chats on PC. This update enhances your messaging experience by adding more transparency to your interactions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy chatting!